Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to another house hunting video. Now in this video we will be showing you the new development very close to Ocho Rios called Lancewood Estate. Now this development is being marketed as being in Ochi. It is very close, it's about a 15-minute drive, and on offer are townhouses, as you see, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouses, and coming up shortly there's also 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units as well. In total this development will host 196 units and there will be 3 phases. At the moment they are currently working on phase 1 and some of the units have already sold. So 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouse and 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow, as you can see. Now guys, just a quick disclaimer, I am not the realtor, I am not the agent, I'm not selling any of these houses. Okay, I'm just showing you what's on offer. You make up your mind if you like them, you know, and if you want any more information, please do contact the number at the end of the video or the number in the description box, okay? Guys, we're just here to show you what's out there, yeah? Now, as usual, we like to show you the drive to the property. This time we did it a bit backwards. We're showing you the drive from the development. So there you can see the development. And guys, it really is only about a 15-minute drive into Ocho Rios. Okay, just before I go and let you enjoy this video, prices. So the townhouse, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom is currently listed at 38 million Jamaican dollars, and the bungalow 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom is currently listed at 27 million Jamaican dollars, which is good. Lots of people don't like when the units are listed in US dollars. Guys, I won't be providing the conversion into US dollars or Canadian dollars or pounds, only because the currency exchange rate changes every single day and that will affect the price. So if you are interested, please do the conversions, okay? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please watch a little bit of the ads. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.